Yes, this is Mark Gilchrist. I'm in Koh Kong, Cambodia. So I have a question. Where are the largest birdhouses in the world? The largest birdhouses in the world, at least for wild birds, are in Southeast Asia. And they are houses for the edible nest swiftlet bird. Going through these countries, I've seen dozens, if not hundreds, of these houses. And they are usually about 4 stories tall. Some are actually built on top of people's homes, and they have hundreds of openings for the birds. These houses exist to attract the edible nest swiftlet, and many of them you may hear music playing to somehow attract the birds to come on inside and build their nest. Why do we want these nests? To answer that question, you have to go back to ancient Chinese tradition. These nests that these birds build are made entirely out of saliva, spit. Yeah, Swiftnet spit, bird spit. Swiftnet bird spit. There's no twigs or anything in there, just the bird's spit. And of course that's got to be delicious. So inside these houses, this house, when it's done, thousands of birds will come in and build little nests out of their spit. And then someone will go in there, and when they find a nest that's just right, they'll steal it. And they'll steal every one of them that they can. And then they will ship these nests to Vietnam or China and will sell them for anywhere between $500 and $5,000 per pound. I've tried many times to get inside one of these buildings. Not that it would be all that interesting, mind you. They're very, very protective. Only one person goes into these, and that person has a certain body smell. And if any other person with a different smell goes in, it may disrupt the whole bird spitting, nest making, soup producing process. Now these nests are believed to be very nutritious and have, of course, medicinal values. Apparently the nests are built by the males, and it takes more than a month for them to build one. This is nothing new. People have been eating these little houses for hundreds and hundreds of years, mostly gathering them in caves in Borneo, until about the late 1990s when they started building these houses. Sometimes you'll see these houses out in the middle of the country, sometimes in the cities. My hotel room today is right next to a bird's nest house. I haven't seen much research on how this actually affects the species, especially on such a large scale. I mean, if we're stealing their nests, where do they keep their children? This practice has been going on for 400 years, but not to this scale. Folks, I'm seeing hundreds of these houses in this region, and I've only seen a few of them. Thank you, and this is Mark Gilchrist, and I am on this planet Earth.